Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to determine market structure. I'll be giving you two examples, one being a drawing and one being live chart. But before we get to the video, check the link in the description for the full course and get 50% off if you use the top link. So let's get started. In determining a downtrend, what we look for in market structure is something like this. We look for something like this, where price forms lower lows and lower highs. As you can see, lower lows, lower highs. That can also be marked up in the trend line. But ignoring the trend line part, we just look for lower highs and lower lows. This. Let me just mark this down. Okay. See your lower highs. These are our lower highs right here. And these are our lower lows. Lower lows down here. It's a very easy concept to understand. Price just needs to be coming, it needs to be just going down at an angle, forming both lower lows and lower highs. That determines a downtrend. So what determines an uptrend now is the complete opposite. Let's drag it over here. This determines this is the uptrend right here. And again, it can be drawn out with a trend line, but we're going to be ignoring that. And instead of lower lows and lower highs, what we want to see is higher highs and higher lows. So these are higher highs right here, where price is going up from the higher high point or higher peak, if you want to call it that, and the higher lows, which basically means the retracement of price is lower, is higher. I mean, the retracement is higher, while the impulse move, which is these big moves right here, just these big moves, are higher, and the retracements, or the end of the retracements, are higher. Okay, these are the higher lows right here. See, pretty easy to understand. For downtrend, or determining a downtrend, we look for lower highs and lower lows, while determining an uptrend, we look for higher highs and higher lows. Let's get into some live chart examples just to make it make sense. We're on Euro USD right now, and as you can see, price is going downwards, but we're not just looking at chart directly like that. We need price to show us that it's forming lower lows and lower highs in order for us to determine if it's a downtrend. And if it's an uptrend, we're looking for price to show us higher highs and higher lows in order for us to determine if it's an uptrend. And in this case now, as you can see, price came down here. Let's put this in black, a little thicker, black. As you can see, price came down, went up, came down again, before going up. And as you can see here, as you can clearly see, price basically went up a bit for retracement before coming down with this big impulse move and going up before dropping again. And if we're labeling it, this is our lower high up here. This is one of our lower highs. As you can see, it's lower than the previous high over here. So it's one of our lower high. And we have another lower high down here, and what we're expecting right here is another lower high down here. And we have lower lows as well. You see here, this is a lower low. You have another lower low right down here, and our last lower low right down here. See, just as simple as that. Price forming lower lows and lower highs. So that means price is going down. Let's look for an uptrend. If you look closely, you can see the price is going up. But to determine the market structure, you can see price went up here, dropped down to form a higher high, a higher low and a higher high up here. Came up to form a higher high, dropped down to form a higher low, came up to form a higher high, dropped down to form a higher low, came up again to form a higher high, dropped down to form a higher low, and just continue going up like that. See? Let's label it. These are higher high points right here. Another higher high, another higher high, another higher high, and what we're about to see here is another higher high. And let's put down our higher low points. We have right here higher low, another higher low, another higher low, and right up here another higher low. As you can see, we determined that this is an uptrend based on the market structure, because price is forming higher highs and higher lows, so it's an uptrend. It's as simple as that. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching.